My name is Cleo and I'm a tissue culture scientist. A tissue culture scientist is someone that creates artificial skin for testing in pharmaceuticals and cosmetic industry. We believe that we should steer away from animal testing, and if we can use science to create an alternative which is more similar to human skin, then that is the better option. I was a bit of a nerd back at school. I love reading, I love learning, and I think that my passion for learning has what got me to where I am today. So I'm kind of grateful for nerdy me back in the day. I did struggle with my nerdiness and wanting to fit in, so I think I did at times squash that side of myself down, but I soon learnt that there's no point because everyone is an individual and that makes you cool, so I learned that very quickly. I decided to take up 6 A-levels. So I did chemistry, biology, physics, psychology and maths. I did them all, received my AS grades, straight Ds. So I decided to retake as many as I could, got my A-level grades, got 2 Bs and 2 Cs. So I decided to take a year out after A-levels. I knew that to get into science I had to go to university. My degree, Biomedical Material Science at Birmingham, was great. I got to do biology, I got to do physics, I got to do chemistry, got to study anatomy. Fell in love with tissue engineering, which is my career today. A lot of science is thinking outside the box, not just following protocols and procedures. Parts of my job is being creative. So you're posed with a problem. It's up to you how you decide to answer that problem. So if you've got that drive, you will be so successful. Being a young black female growing up and wanting to go into science, I didn't have any role models, but there are more black females coming into science, which I think is fantastic. I work with some brilliant people. Because I am part of the research and development team, I get to work on the research projects, which is kind of the fun stuff in science. I would like to work a lot more with students and young people, even if they have like the smallest interest, just trying to nurture that and like, you know what, you can do science. What I would say to 15-year-old me is, do you. Stay true to yourself. If there's something you're interested in, pursue it. Just do you. There's a whole world that is open to you, so don't limit yourself.